Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this Land Rover Defender 90 200 TDI hardtop with windows, fitted with a galvanised chassis that you can see lurking behind me here. 2 videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this 200 TDI Defender. All light ignition light come up as they should. Don't need the cold start light. Starts smartly. Settles down to a nice idle. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. Okay, here we're under the bonnet of this 200 TDI. Just doing what it's supposed to do. Clattering away the way they do. It seems to be in pretty rude health. Just performing the way it should. There we go. Next up, driving. Okay, here we are out in this Defender 90 200 TDI, showing 124,000 miles, and I have to say it drives absolutely superbly. Starts on the button. No signs of any overheating. As you can see, the temperature gauge is sitting just below the halfway point. And it all feels really tightened together. It helps it's on a galvanised chassis, in fairness. There's no rattles or squeaks or anything. It's just getting on with the job. Drives really, really well. Being a 200 TDI, it's fitted with the LT77 gearbox. And normally you get some backlash on these, but if I take my foot off the throttle sharply, there's nothing. So I suspect the gearbox is either reconditioned or is a relatively recent replacement, shall we say. I know the car's been rebuilt onto a galvanised chassis. I haven't looked at the history yet to see what's been done mechanically, but it wouldn't surprise me if it has had a full mechanical rebuild as well. Or at least the bits that tend to pack up on these. But it's great, it really is. It stops nicely, just performs really well. Into 5th. Good punch from the turbo diesel motor, and under hard acceleration there's not much smoke coming out the back. You do always get a little bit of smoke out of a 200 TDI when you boot it. No funny suspension noises, bangs, clunks or anything. Really is a spot on one. It's one of the nicest ones I've driven for a long time, actually. Heater blower motor works. All the instruments are what they are in front of me. Speedo, fuel gauge and temperature gauge all working as they should. Now we're going to go over a really big bump in a moment. But there we go. Cope with that quite happily. As I say, stopping wise, it's very good indeed. Gearbox is really quite nice and precise. I think it is, as I say, a recent gearbox in it. Indicators self-cancel the way they should. Anyway, there we are. I'm really impressed with this. Very good indeed. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. Or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com.